I have one complete lineup of Bolero Max pickup trucks accidents. So this one, front pillar, A pillar is completely gone. Probably driver was no more. So look at the conditions from front. Other one also, this is Arunachal station. It has also gone. This one, front shield is gone. You can see. This one also very gone, but due to 5-star reliability of this XUV 500, look at the impacts. Although it has a huge impact, but the passengers were safe. Look, both airbags were 10.